Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, December 16, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, December 16, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong December 16, 2024, Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, December 16, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for December 16, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, December 16, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.